Doors like this can start looking old and damaged over time. But with a few coats of paint, we can give it a new lease of life. To get started, I find it a lot easier to work with the door outside of the frame. So I'm going to remove the door and then I'm going to take it outside. I also like to remove the handle and the lock set. Now for this door, I'm going to give it a light sanding, dust it down, and then I'll be ready to paint. I'm making use of the Fired Earth Modo non-drip gloss enamel, which comes in a variety of standard colors. But you can go down to builders and ask the guys to mix any color you're looking for. Now take care to read the preparation instructions carefully on the tin. Don't just open it. Read the instructions. You'll get the best finish for your application. Guys, don't stir this paint because it's ready to use. Stirring's gonna make it lose its non-drip properties. But if you've already stirred it, don't worry. Leave it for 12 hours and the gel will redevelop. It's a great excuse to walk the aisles at builders. Being non-drip, it's so easy to use, giving you a professional finish. Just apply the first coat and leave it to dry. Enamel paints take some time to dry, about 4 hours to be touch dry. But for best results, wait 16 hours before you apply your second coat. There you go. So I'm done with my 2 coats of paint and I painted the door frame and it looks great. A nice crisp white over that old yellow. Now remember, this paint is washable, weather resistant, chip resistant, and is lead free. So it's ideal for fascias, windows, and garden furniture. This is just one of the many paint solutions available at builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. For more how-to videos like this, visit our blog on the website. Get to builders, get it done.